is your judge?
Judge number 3, Mrs. Vanessa D. Regalado.
Judge number 3, Mrs. Vanessa Regalado.
Hello, candidate number 1. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling good but also blessed to have the support of my family.
That's nice to hear. Okay, but the most important question here is, are you ready to answer your question for tonight?
I'm nervous but I know it will be okay.
Yes, this is the spirit of a buntis queen. Okay, so are you now ready? Okay, so this is your question, candidate number 1. How did becoming a mother change you? I will repeat. How did becoming a mother change you?
Actually, it's my very